Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mario from Best RV in Trola, California. What is behind me is a brand new 2025 Astoria travel trailer 2703RB. It's a 27 feet rear bath, nice walk around bed in the front, and a sofa and a dinette on a slide. Across from it is the kitchen. Now, what Astoria is giving you more than anybody else in the unit, and I'm going to point the features and the quality of the Astoria. Number one, it has the big gel coated cap in the front with a nice LED light, as you see right here, and it has automotive window in the front. No issue with the windows. Everybody gets scared. Look, it's already driven 2,300 miles from the factory to our store, and no issue at all whatsoever, and we sold many of them. Electric tongue jack in the front with a 2 propane tank and a cover, and then you have 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Also, you have over here one big huge pass-through storage. What I like about their storage is finished, because a lot of competitors they don't. So you could see it's completely finished. There's aluminum studs inside with installation. There's installation on this floor. It already has inverter prep and solar controller prep also. And you can see how big the pass-through storage. Nice power awning with LED. Outside refrigerator. Come also with outside grill and the hookup for it. And the hookup for the propane is right there. Going here, it's already give you the TV bracket, so you can put a nice TV in the outside with a TV hookup right there. And they did all the work for you, so you don't just have to buy this TV and just sit it there. 2 outside speakers, nice aluminum rims, 3-step leopard. Then this is actually very important because it has the as-built fiberglass, so there's no separation between the fiberglass and the styrofoam and the aluminum frame. Here's the power awning. Now it has the roofing membrane, that's alpha play. Endless hot water heater, that's a big deal. And we say about the electric jack in the back. Now look how in the back is clean. You have a class 3 hitch receivers, backup camera prep, and a leopard expandable ladder prep. And here's the power cord, Stanley flush kit, black and gray water. Now they give you the slide topper. This is the slide out, 14 feet sofa dining on the slide. They give you the slide top for protections. Nice one docking station, everything is right there. You have city water connections, you have outside sprayers, cable sunlight, you have lights, and you can get through everything. What I like about it is very clean. Everything is clean, nothing hanging like some other trailers. Let's go inside and show you the new features of the brand new 2703RB. Now the feature this one provide you more than the other competitors. One thing, it has a skylight, so you can see all the shade is down, but it's still very bright inside. So that's another advantage for you on this unit, make it very bright. Another thing, you have a fan over your kitchen to suck all the bad smell or any smell outside. So let's start from here. When you walk in, it's wider comparing the other brands. They give you they don't waste anything, so they give you a nice tinsel door self-closing and big trash can. And then they give you the 110 USB. There's a big country sink, extension countertop, so you have a prep area on the right side of the sink, left side of the sink. Nice 3-burner range, oven, country sink, more storage, and then you have a nice tinsel doors, self-closing, and then all this big storage right here. Nice microwave, 3-burner range loaded, and then it has the 11 cubic for refrigerator, 12 volt. And then a lady, she come to me and say, now I love the kitchen and everything, but I need more pantry. Well, right here they give it to you. You have a full pantry and multi-function on this pantry. Number one, I could put a combo washer dryer here, so I could remove the shelf. As you see, the shelf is removable, and I could put a combo unit here and hooked up to you, So if you want combo washer and dryer, or if you don't want washer dryer in this unit, you just put whatever you like, and it's a full storage on this unit. Beautiful entertainment center where everybody could see it, so the people sitting on the recliners or the table on the floor chair, they could see it. So nice TV with a stereo, and we talk about it. It has a speaker inside and speakers outside, Bluetooth, and fireplace. So it's very functional comparing to the other unit. But I love those Sierra seating. Oh, perfect. It's a perfect Sierra seating, and you just ask the wife or the other significant other, where's my drink? And you're right there, the nice TV, fireplace, Ambient, and you enjoy it. Now, this unit has the table and a bench and 2 seats. The beauty about it, there's no leg. That's very important. And you're not wasting, easy to get in these chairs, very roomy as you see. And then you have a beautiful bench, and then again you could move the bench, nothing screwed or glued to the floor of the slide out, so it's flexible. You could do whatever size, perfect for me, like I have a poncho. And then you have a storage in this bench too, and then you could move the bench the way you want. So this is the beauty about their slide out. I like the coloring. It's very kind of like a goldish brass, black and white, very pure contemporary. Nice space on the slide out. Even this corner, they don't waste anything. You could put some up like espresso machine and plug here if you want coffee more, or you make a small bar right there. Go to the bedroom. You have a beautiful big pocket door, so if you don't want nobody to see what's in your bedroom, very simple and easy, just close it and done. Now, one thing about this 27, because we put the combo washer dryer prep and we put a second AC, so it's a 50 amp service unit, and it has 2 AC. So there's one AC in the living room, and there's another second AC in the bedroom. So this is 2 AC units. Very roomy. Here's the beautiful about this, it's a king size bed. So king size bed with a full walk around. Look the distance here and the distance, no issue to make the bed. You have closet on this side, closet the other side. All this is a storage, plus this also storage underneath. Very big, roomy place for your breathing machines, books, laptop, and a window in the front. If you want privacy, you do. If you don't want, if you want to not see what's going on in the front of your trailers, very simple, just voila. And then you have a beautiful window right there inside the unit. Now let's go to the back. One thing about the Astoria I forgot to mention, which is it's a big deal, curved roof. That's a big deal. Why? Especially if you go to snow, or there's a city has a lot of rain, like Washington, that kind of stuff. The water will not sit in the top. The thing will come down. That's a plus. Now you have a beautiful big pocket door. Look how beautiful this bathroom. So a lot of customers, they complain to us on this size. They say other competitor they give me 1 sink, other competitor they give me queen bed, other competitor they give me 1 AC. With the Astoria 2703, no, you have 2 AC, you have a slide topper, you have a table and a bench and a recliners, you have a king size bed, and you have a vanity with 2 vanity and plenty room around each sink for hair dryers, makeup, shaving stuff, whatever you like. There are plenty nice big mirrors, and you still have a beautiful window, so you could open this one and get the fresh air to your bathroom. Place for my linens, towels. Also, if you don't want to put towels, they give you another hanging closet. So there's a hanging closet even in the bathroom. So in reality, you have 3 closets for hanging. This one and 2 in the front. And the showers, easy to get in. Skylight, big head, very roomy. And a nice glass shower door. So you could see this unit offer you way more stuff than the competitor. And when it's come to price, I'm gonna give you a price. You shop as much you want and do the doubt for yourself. We have the best and the lowest price in this side of the country, and no hidden fees, and we don't charge you fees like other dealers. We make it ready and walk through all of that for free. free get ready package, ready to camp. So you need to get to Best RV and take advantage of the 2703RB Astoria rear bath with the theater seating, 2 AC, table and 4 chair, 2 chair and bench, and the 2 vanity and king size bed, and prefer washer and dryer. Coming in.